For a first test, we start from scratch. For example, we want to define an API for sales orders. The mind map view appears, which allows you to define the fields of a sales order. Typically, a sales order indicates the customer name. Distribute as you want on the left or on the right. Order date. Add the expected delivery date. And group by idea. You can drag and drop. Add the item ordered. The amount of the order, etc. The technical specification is automatically generated and shown on the right side of the screen. It will be used by the developers who code the API that you define here, and also by future users of this API. But instead of starting from a blank page, you can use the templates. Select the sales order template and work by pruning what you do not need. Many fields are already defined, which can be deleted if you think they will not be useful in the context of your business. For example, you don't want the payment terms, you delete it. This way you quickly have a result, and the spec produced is always up to standard.